What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm going to share with you, my people. We have Annie, you know what I mean? So, she going to surprise Jagger. We're going to get into that. Also, have Rosalie, my people. Rosalie come talk about the whole situation with the youth when name Ricky. You see me, I say, because Ricky must make she um, report or something like that one our gifter. Make the gifter can't give about 2 weeks. You see me I say. We also have Shibada my people. Shibada. So we have Shibada my people. Shibada run out for Annie. And also have some things to say about Sky Diamond. Also Shibada talk about the king and crown for Vice Cartel and a bunch of things. Cause Nuffy come say some things yesterday, you know, and she would have some things to say about that too. You know what I mean? So we have a bunch of things to share with you know, with people. Some might be left out, me even remember. Some of them have to share with you know, but we maybe add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off.
Got even the very fact him box out the phone and you tell you box me, you even did that say yourself, where you box me for? And you go tell the man, say, hey boy, if I send this me buck him, I put shot in here. Really? You that yo, so if still think about him, here you have all our limbs them are working top. You are telling me say if this a man tell a man when I have no hand, say, hey boy, me wall you, if I send this me wall, me put shot in here. You can imagine what you do to me and you, bro?
With the hand.
With the hand.
We have blood.
Yeah.
Yo, I joke this, yo. Uncle, you see that earlier? You know, safe, bro. You know, safe. You understand? So you just have to live and protect yourself, your surrounding, your energy, protect your life. You understand? That is why we do so much empowering music, you know. You think silk and liquor ordinary youth. Yeah, I'm hungry, you know me not ordinary. But what? Me live it, I know it. You understand? I know why it bring good and bad, so me decide to me not want that anymore. You understand?
Yeah.
Ranks don't make no sense. How far you think ranks can take you? You have to feel a precaution of that someday, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
Whether you face it physically or you face it spiritually, but you have to face a repercussion of your actions them what you make.
True.
You understand? That is why me I tell you say, you see if him figure so certain way, remember he's a ghetto youth certain way, bro, probably him not really be known by anybody certain type of way we can guide him in the right way and say, alright, from you now go kill up yourself, go about it this way, yeah. Ray, and Tay, and show him the right way to go about it. It will make sense. But him alone can't go about this, bro, because them just so sweep it under the carpet, so bro, assist him.
No, man. That's why we do what we do over here, so we bring awareness to it, so we reach even the Prime Minister. And all of them are watching up. See me, I said, all of them are watching. I don't need to do something about this. We can't have this going in our country. This can't be a news out there. This can't be a news out there where we see a police officer beat up a disabled man. How this can be a news out there? How the world is see like this?
Alright, I'll show you a thing now. Saying, word, as what a person in I comment has said, word is not win. You have a point. Because at the end of the day, bro, for instance, in a relationship, your wife ever look for you and tell you sit here, bro, and tell you feel like a one knife she take and stab him to that act.
But hold on, Silk. Me and you know go through that the training there. And this me I try to explain to the people there. You see the insult training, they have gone through it. Brother, me do my research, me tell us me do my research and investigate.
Yeah, they have to go through it. They have to take every type of course,
insult when they get, brother, as long as it's not a threat. Every insult that comes, they go through the insult part of their training. When the instructor go tell them about their ma, them pa, their sister, tell them what they do with their ma, or they go do this and that. They go through that they training the brother. So them supposed to know.
Then get it. Because from them just enter the academy and I go to them training and think them training to withstand every possibility outcome. You understand? Them teach them fi galley over that. How we no maneuver no.
Exactly. No, a man over we say a one word. You can't say.
No. Me not go say that one day with the uncle, but.
Yeah, but them go to the training of insults. So these are the things that you are going to go outside on the road and you're going to accustom every day. You're going to come up and people will go tell you about your mother, tell you about your father, tell you about your sister, all of that. As long as they're not a threat to you or the environment, leave it alone, walk away, laugh. But when somebody go talk and you feel like, say, as a police officer, you have the right to beat them in their face and box them down and shoot them down. Worse when they have no hand. Why you be, man? You don't get no training, man. You're training, you never take a training, man. You went in there with one mindset, and the one mindset that you went in there is to come up the same way you're going, but worse. You're gonna come out with a man with a legal gun and a legal authority to do damage to the people of Jamaica. You know,
Well, I'm not supposed to even beat him and the man there. Well, you would have tell them same deal. Kind of and you know. We would have tell them same deal. Him say something to you and your face cut. Or him say something to you and you feel a stabbing in your belly. We would have tell them say.
legal man.
Feel beat this man will basically disabled. Can he not know hand in disabled because he can't have with his foot.
And this is what I want people to understand, you know, because a lot of people would have talked about criminals and cops and this. They are great. When we say great, they're great policemen and policewomen, you know. We have, the majority of the percentage of great policemen and women are really higher than the one bad ones and the two bad ones, you know.
Uncle Sobo, I tell you, say, I know, me not see that video there. Because me say, me not too on the internet certain way, you know, unless me.
Some people, Silk Boss background kinda loud, you know what I mean? It look like say a driver or something. But my people, we are talk about Jamaica and the police, them how them deal with people. Yo, America, my people, them deal with the people them more terrible than Jamaica, you know. Remember them even SHOT and KILL enough of these people, you know. You see me now say this police you have the right to do what them do. You know what I mean? You have to deal with people on a level where you have to show it, you have to be strong when it comes to authorities still and make them know say you're in charge, but you still have to deal with people like human being and deal with them like say boy, you know what I mean? You know say you have time when you not work, you know, work right through the day, right through the year. You have day off, you go out go party and then something and them a youth and all no others nowadays. You see man say so you might get FUCK, a man might book you one away and dash you away. Not even one away, all in the public. And everybody around put them a type of way, yeah. Let me know what you think the people, I watch some more.
What me I do for my music, you understand? When you see from me ear and me see this photo yourself, I say really dog, this can't sit right with me now. Because basically you tell me say I could have a cousin in the same situation and me get booked for Sunfest. And when me up on stage, our Sunfest done, me I get one video of you they beat up my disabled cousin around the back there, so no.
Them same, what about? Brother, me I tell you say it is.
No, it can't go work.
Very
but they have family too, you know.
Exactly. Brother, the man on TikTok and the man say him supporters they would have said, yo, make we send you a thing to go at Sunfest. I send him man supported them send him a thing say, yo, go on a Sunfest, go enjoy yourself, man. And the man go to Sunfest and get a beat up, brother. And you go the man go to Sunfest enjoy himself and put him enjoy himself. He enjoy himself and what? And the end result, him have to go with his car. All the man are the way how him beat up the man in the brother, all the man and had to and start bleed back in the brother.
Jano.
And why you want to beat up the man? Do what? The man brother, if you watch the video, the man calm in the video, the man said,
I don't know what that money I made that. Uncle for be real with that dog. Them a youth nowadays, bro. Them a money, bro. We classify themselves as elders, bro. And no sense, so not elders with some mind like picnic.
Bro.
That me I tell you now. Any boy I believe say them for real. Come lick me in my mouth and some elder with some picnic mentality. What could have fly up in a your head if you go beat up the blood clot disabled man, bro? Sorry for my language, man. I like that.
Yeah, man.
Them thing they don't make sense. Them thing they don't make sense. That means if me have a dis, does that me have free enough from me here? That means if me did have a disabled family, and me still get booked for sunfed. After me done perform, me as a video with my cousin round a back, where me goodly give him all the ticket to come in, come watch me perform. On around there, and deal with my disabled cousins. No, sir, it can't work. It could work. I tell you, say it could work. It could work.
Boy, it is a disgrace, brother.
It could work. Uncle Bundy, it could work. It could work. Don't call it could work. That can't sit right with me, bro. And the worst thing too, you know, it's a fellow Jamaican like yourself. So if you do your own race, so if you do your own people, so we would have do somebody else, you know.
No, brother, and that is the thing we not understand at all times. You hear what you just said? If you do, brother, they will never treat a tourist that way in our country, brother. They will never treat tourists that way in our country, brother.
This man disrespect tourists and get locked up for that there.
Okay.
And the tourists not buying out there.
They will never disrespect.
Jamaican people love sweets, you don't know that. A sweets run Jamaica, you know. Jamaican people love sweets, you know. Only few of them have a mind of them own and decide say them will go, they go get for them own to feed themselves and not depend on nobody. But you see, enough of them sweets man and sweets girl them. Yes man and yes girl them. Anything where them say I go on, them just run with it. That is why you see so much fuckery I go on, bro. Because 99% of them people don't have a mind of them own. They don't have a mind of them own. Them easily for program. A man can just see them and force anything in their head and they believe it. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, fam. And some sweet people them, bro. This minute them over here, so I say you. And the moment certain things happen, bro, you can't meet them requirements again. What you think them are do? And somebody else over here, so them gone to have more money. And probably can stay so and meet certain requirements with them. And you see any time that the person they done, them gone and somebody else. That's how Jamaican people stay, bro. They don't have a mind of them own. And you see this love and money where them have, bro. And it make you fuck real one. Enough of them too greedy too. Burn me uncle man, they burn me man, they burn me that. That means you the earth one of my family them there. That means if me did disable you, the earth still pass too.
Exactly. Everybody will come in and say the police man in the suit and the wrong police. Brother, we have clarification from good source that's the police officer. What did I say? I don't know you're coming and go talk about wrong police. Wrong police way.
But uncle, whether or not the wrong police or the right bumble blood clot police, them should have linked the man. The man fucking disabled, brother. So when them people have come, uncle, watch out now. I go in the live here, you know, me they go link up with you another time. Because if me see them on the live, I'm out dark out, you know. Because them people that just approve to me more and more. So they not no bumbo class sense of Jamaica, you know, uncle. No sense they not have done here in the youth. No, bro, but I fact. And the facts, bro. Whether I police, I want chief, constable, swoop, sergeant, whether anything he want be, you know, no right to beat the disabled man. What kind of threat him could have opposed to you? What kind of threat? You can't see man with no knife, you know, the man nah no hand. You can't say him take up nothing for arm, you can't man nah no hand.
People, and another thing, let me tell you this, you see me? You see, police, me I tell you, them go and I say, and them run the world, especially them Jamaican police, huh? Me I tell you something, man. You see, the best you can deal with them and avoid, like, you know, any argument with them. All when you have your right, you just make them know, say, yeah, man, Ray, just give them the right. You see me? Me I tell you that, just give them the right. You see it, I make them go about them business. Because enough of them come on the road enough time with them big bad problem. You see me, I say, and them take it out on you. Enough time we have slick mode. Because enough of we, them not expect to know the line or know the rights, So when a man know him rights and know the law, it's like it get them irritated because you know what you have to know. So that them will resort to violence, you know what I mean? So you have to know what you are doing, people. Sorry if we go on with a youth, yeah, you know what I mean? Hope him get justice, but we don't know what to do. Sometimes you have your right and you have to just make it just go on, just to survive. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think. We watch some more.
Exactly. You can't say the man try to lick in your face or the man try to put. Yo, you can't say nothing. Like there's no justification to beat up this man. There's none, brother. There's no justification to say, yo, you know what? I felt he was a threat and I had to defuse him and I had to eliminate the threat. No, there's nothing to indicate that this man would have done you anything.
No,
the only threat this man was to you was this man using him phone to record you.
So hold on. Let me ask you a question. The police buy the man phone to tell him saying he can't record. Would that no threat neither too?
No, that me I try to tell you that the only
threat. The only way that could have been threat, if it's a wrong, you're guilty, and you don't want nobody to say he's a guilty motherfucker. You don't want to catch pan on camera. Yeah.
Well,
you don't want to catch pan on camera, uncle. Because you know you're guilty deep though.
The one of them we are run coming and say, well, O'Neal gas grandstand friend them we are saying him. So all I know we are saying O'Neal grandstand. The O'Neal grandstand that. We don't can't trick we. They don't have a friend. We don't go on. We don't know if we don't police friend. Because enough of a rogue police we are chatting, Some of them are police too, And that's why they come over here so we are going on him that. Now him, and we are putting him on blast. Lawsuit coming, yeah, we welcome the lawsuit. We welcome the whole lawsuit. Don't look at one lawsuit like nothing. Yo, this is not like a full TikTok and they want to come go and threaten and they run off and say, oh, no. It's a different one. Come with the lawsuit and they come good too. But no lawsuit. As a matter of fact, my friends, they come out for this. Who you? Come with the lawsuit.
Bro, that's
lawsuit. I think a joke thing with the past.
Bro, them could have killed him, man, bro. As me and say, bro, uncle, me not see this video y'all now, and told me grieve right now, I even want to look on it.
But
you understand? But me can't go around the fact of you beating up a fucking helpless man, bro. The man basically helpless, dog. Helpless, bro. Helpless, bro. Helpless.
Ridiculous, brother.
You basically beat up a helpless man and then you expect say we as ghetto youth to have faith in our own.
That is what I am saying. That we know, and you know the thing about it, when them do this as road cop, brother, road cop, you get the policemen and policewomen of our country bad name. And the respect we're supposed to have for the policemen and policewomen of our country, because them are road cop. Yo, we know, what we know business. Everybody we treat the same way. Every one of them we treat the same way because of their behavior. Because if I got an experience with him, I feel like all police officers are the same.
Yeah, but uncle, must swear all of them are not the same. Because you have some good one out there same way too, where them and they work with the book.
Exactly.
When them start you before them even go no further, the first thing them start to tell you say, Mr. Reed, you know you don't have on a seat belt, and the seat belt, look here, the road traffic act stated say ray and te, and then they make them declare what them stop you and what is what before them going on no long chattings with your bro. So you know if you know say you're watching a general, if you're wrong, you just take your wrong and easy. Don't go like say you want disrespect police, either police we broke you.
Yeah.
Police we broke you. You understand? So whether or not you touch them, you have some of them uncle where them chip certain way, bro. I don't know if them come on a yard and them in a problem or them have some problem at work, but when they come a road, them come a road chip certain way. You understand? And when you say certain things, bro, you take them off and then we do certain things to you. So you see two means I get to you where in a street and see enough things happen. We know how to adjust. You understand? Because I know him alone get it, Enough you get it to, youth we have hand and foot, When a disabled, get it for no reason and nothing come out tight, So don't bother believe say it's just a case wherein a disabled people are right now, bro. High class society people get into, bro. They have some corrupt police, you know. Just believe that, you know, you have some good one who work by the book. You understand? But you have some corrupt one, uncle. You understand? And it's just unfortunately that this other guy go book up on a corrupt one panda day when he could enjoy himself. You understand? Probably the dog get all him pay shot and the dog export him pay shot, you know. And take it out on the youth. I can that too, you know. Yeah. But me not see no way what could have caused, you know, you as a conscious man to go beat at the same one. Because the man no pose a threat there. That them our man with no hand to pose a threat to me. What you can do me so? You're Bruce Lee, you train with the foot them for years, so you're dangerous with your foot them. And even if you even have your foot them, you go unbalanced certain way because you're not going to have your hand there. You know, your body is like a scale, you know. Where this a foot a balance, this or balance, this and everything work together. So you go half balance some way. So you can't tell me say the man using foot kick you. Cause that never catch from the video.
Brother, the phone, the man I try using phone, brother. You can't sing a box with the man phone and I beat up the man. And the man I say, yeah, box, boy, you box me for. And you hear him tell the man, say, if I somewhere else, go hold your boy, put chat in there. And I say, hey, that you say? And that
the officer they tell the disabled man saying, would I put chat in there?
When somewhere else, you hold him, put chat in there. Think a box, when a box, the boy, put chat in there. Like, yo. I saw, yo. Boy.
Them thing they no.
Mix up. Me can't bother with the karaoke Ken Felice the dad. The carry go bring come, the come, bring come. Let me go bring me back, throw me down here, so pick me up here, so and then dash me all over there. So you understand me? Me can't bother with it. But nevertheless, come here and chat up the people because we have new stock and come down. We don't know if I later or tomorrow. So me come here and chat up for what. So nothing address Jashi. You understand me? Nothing address Jashi. And nothing say bad things out time out. You get what me I say? I'ma feel away for Jashi. Cause the poor little boy no know him hand from him neck. You get me? The poor little boy no know him hand. Then they did really vote for this man, then they really bank on this man. Cartel never did forget this. Then they really bank on this. I pay feelings to their some face. Lord Jesus, with the most feelings. Just see why rebels still to Spice with. Cause Spice should have beat her for all of the pandemic chatting. I see why, you know. I see why. Lord Jesus, I don't blame the bitch now for not going on stage. Stay behind, yeah? Stay behind. Oh, I pay feelings to that carry man. Then Josh have nobody in the industry. They just come all on the time and leave. And that's the problem, you know. Them just come all on the time and leave. Look here. You see them ghetto people here with tunnel.
Alright, my people, so like how Shibada got talk about the whole, you know what I mean, crowning situation with Vice Cartel. This only lead me to a video we see yesterday. Seeing, all you know say that person and Vibes Cartel, this are a Vibes Cartel number one, you would have say number one person. One of the number one person when I like Vibes Cartel. Seeing that a Sir P, me see him do one video yesterday and put it out, right? And then the man get one video from one Uptown, I think Uptown Mondays, that when Vibes Cartel just forward out, seeing a Mad Sus must say the back of him. I must say either hold him t-shirt, either him t-shirt or him belt when him a DJ up on the stage. You see me I say, see him not drop. Them time them did a groan and every minute him drop. You see one video say him drop and whatever. The man up on the stage and perform. And the man I say Mad Sus must say feel up cartel behind. I remember when um, the Gaza First Lady will get kicked out here now. You see me I say, did that one show a Mecca where she did a whole and pan Vibes Cartel and them say she had tried thief the money from him when she a whole and pan him so that him the drop. At the same situation with Madsus and the man say a Madsus they in a public, you know, my people, in a public, you know. I feel up the man behind. Uno can go over there, go pre the video and tell me if this man have gone to the extreme, you know. I try if you bring down the man. Yo, man, I tell you, say, you see, in life, my people, you have people who don't like you. And then people, you know, give them the time and day. You make them talk and say what they must say. Because if I know one thing or the other, and them are going to come up with all different type of things to bring down your name. Me, I tell you, say, I hold the man, either I hold the man shirt, tail, you know, or I hold the man belt, for the man not dropping on people. And the man say, man, I feel up the man behind now. What kind of man like that, especially a dancehall artist? I go make a man, them a climb in a public on stage, a DJ, and make the man a feel up him behind. Come on, people, come on. Think about that. Just think about that for 1 minute, or even half a minute. You see me, I say, or a couple seconds. Just think about that. Think about it. Somebody that really comes say something about Chia people, let me know what to think. I want some more.
In a too thinking. Now follow the ghetto people and we say, oh, an intense, a real artist, a bad artist. You see, tomorrow in time somebody else come out, and them a bad artist, and that catch on a nastiness. And that ever catch on the bad artist them. When you come for a season, and then when you realize you can't sustain. And all the time I tell you, say, too much OBA music, you go guard up, you go blood and pay sacrifice and with you one. Pure sacrifice. And rituals. See there now? Cartel not forget the crown. The man don't get the crown and the argument done. Who not like it, just go shoot it off him head. As simple as that. Who don't like it, go shoot it off. None of them sell out arena, none of them draw crowd. Yeah, 50,000 people after there for one show we do now. You have to have 500 people on your show. And the promoter don't make money, you know. If I'm a sponsor, promoter go home with one hand behind them and one hand in front of them. Somebody say, cartel can't perform. The world knows a cartel can't perform. And worse in my 2000, worse in touching a vampire age. The world knows they can't perform. Performance to the day, no artist in Jamaica can't perform but Beenie Man. And the only thing Beenie Man do is jump on stage full of energy. Eh? Everybody, every artist have the same style. And no. Number one skin one from one end of the stage to the next end of the stage. So what's new? A performance that? Alkaline can't perform to save him life. Alkaline cannot perform to save him life. Whose performance is improving? Whose performance are improved? None of them boy you can perform. Number one, them too bad. None of them have no choreography. In a nothing where them a sing or nothing where them a do. None of them don't know for put on the mic. Skin can't perform. Skin do come out to the water and wait to the people in man jump. Skin cannot perform. None of them can perform. They're too wicked and bad and biased. They're too wicked and lie and biased. None of them can perform. The whole of them favor bounty killer. None of them. So when they put performance, we don't care. Governor the give mother one care. Things just go on in a circle. A circle, not be fair. And Josh brave though, Josh look like him have a whole heap of man guard him now. Because if he got a big sun face and run a female, so I remember the last time he got a little marketplace and couldn't come out in peace. He must have a whole heap of man guard him now. Elephant Man can dance, but Elephant Man is called the energy god. You understand me? Meaning say, he will climb on here, so because he might work on him dancehall queen title, so he will climb on all the posts. You understand me? Them not perform because they're too masculine. Them no want nobody say them are batty people. So they take them mic and them out there and them not even choreograph one song with them sing. Them not even build a dance to one song that they sing. Somebody says, Sizzler, I mean people upset me now. It look like them want the silver bike for come for me. And the silver bike, yeah, I buy it, you know. No, sir. The lightning catcher. When you idolize somebody coming in, you have to idolize somebody coming in. None of them not come fresh. There is nothing fresh. Everything is just the same. Lord, I woke us valiant on this. Oh Jesus, I woke us valiant on this, Father God. Valiant I catch stray. Look here, he might catch stray. Valiant I travel nobody. Yeah, everybody idolize somebody coming in. So when everybody's saying about, oh, me know, I'm better than this. I'm better than that. I'm better than us, than all the coded fat. I know you see me a calling for me yesterday. For me yesterday.
Alright, my people. So, you see, Vibes Cartel and the King title, this create a bag of problem with people. Right now, it look like say Massacre and Vibes Cartel out figure war. You see me, I say, I don't know if because of the King title or something will go on backstage when him the reggae song fest. But the King title, my people, it's just a matter of time before Vibes Cartel have to give it up to the next man. Him not really have to give it up, you know. They are going to take it from him and give a next man. We are real. You see me, I say, and it look like some Massacre have the potential to be the king. You see me? Couple years well from now. But right now, a Vibes Cartel turn. And anybody will see him under the king right now, them not like him. You see me? So, let me know what the thing to people. We are watch some more.
No, you listen to me because I come from Tony, you feel like a foreigner I come from, and you're going to go see Annie there. And you can't look little clothes in my tone, girl. No, this is some of the one I can't remember the roots, you know. Who remember when country never developed? You never have highway, you have flat bridge. Who remember? Eh? And you know, so when you got a country, you know, you as a Tonian, you know, come the one say Kingstonian, you as a Tonian, you know, so you know, one stay down there because no civilization down here, you know. And when you see how them going over your blouse where you not like, and you stop where when you know say one year down there so with all heap of them and you see them come up and Annie them there. Me say every time me see Annie she drama back in the 90s and you remind me of one gold teeth. You know tell Jamaica used to full of gold teeth? And this one Annie push me. For shoot me Candy and Candy Brothers and a serious note. Every single time me see Annie them perform, me say Jesus it can't get no better. It cannot get any better. For real. Me say you know how them go on over all broke. Hey, Jamaica come a long way. Hey, no son, Jamaica come a long way now. Miss Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost. Every time I see them, I look so. And I see them people here, and when them are going to get civilized? When? And he said, go in. Oh, no, son, every dress up for coming on camera. Mrs. Shinny look like she's a backslider. Mr. The girl feel a backslider try to catch up with the world. Mr. You want? No. No. Sometimes I don't like talking. And when me talk, them say, my all no right. Sometimes I don't like talk. Mrs. Shinny remind me like a backslider. Me I feel say to my little self, say, what really want your song? For my FYP. I want to make FYP a malfunction. When Chanel come out, yeah, Annie, go on, and Annie, she no know a danger, you know? Chanel no know, she a forget one, you know? And I can't blame Annie's son for treat her like dog. Because she bear the image. Me can't blame Annie's son for treat her like dog. You make Annie a clown out your nastiness. You know the hide yourself, my baby? You go like a poster girl. You forgot advertise chemical. You look like the skeleton with the circle around it and the X in the middle. For no disrespect, but it's true. Then you can imagine having you upset on a ball, all your lips supposed to roll back by your forehead. Your forehead supposed to come so with your lip. Go back down, go back down, go back down, go back down. You're too blocked, you're too blocked, you're too blocked, you're too. Go back down. Yeah, come back, come back, come back. Yeah. For real. You make Annie a clown out big girl like you. And then hear the daughter then not through them one situation seems serious. Lord, mommy don't know now when she done drag her cuss. Don't know now. Lord, no handsome woman, Lord Jesus. I saw no cuss every day. On a regular habit that it's not serious. I saw no cuss and draw things up on the one end and nothing no fling. We know them yard there. We know them family there. We know them. We know them. You dip on the camera like you want it to. Boy, I want to do everything. Yes. We know them yard there crazy. We know them yard there. We know say we are, my mother said we got shop and beat them more load in our community, loader than the church them. And nothing now go on, you know. Nothing now go on. Loader than the church them. Hey, move your dirty blow, move your dirty this, move your dirty that. Nothing now go on. Dirty people them, and them are the first set of people for come on the internet and go like them have a good family life. But love, mommy love you here. Them know, they don't live good enough. Mommy love you in a public. Mommy love you here. Then let me ask something. So when Anna and Redan still are do together after Redan still, Anna say Anna she alone him have sex. You see if Redan's beat Anna sleep out her it, nobody know if say Redan's wicked, you know.
Well, my people, when it come to Annie and her son and the little argument with them have, I never nothing too serious, the way I see it, you know what I mean? And people, more go meet, mother and son, father and son, mother and daughter, father and daughter, them more go meet once them, you know what I mean, they are around each other, especially as adults, you know what I mean? More go meet, them are go have differences, you see me? But at the end of the day, if the love did it, the difference is the way them have can separate them from deal again. You know what I mean? Cause see anybody a vehicle, you know, and a dragger them a go drive up it and up and down, you know what I mean? So them love them one another, but at the end of the day, mouth meet more while. When it come to Anna and our man, it's like this with people. You see, a lot of people off of the internet we have opinion on this situation, and even people on the internet we have opinion on the situation them themselves I got through maybe worse than with Anna and fear man I got through. Cause you don't know so when a woman love a man, she not gonna let him so easy. And when a man love a woman, him now go left her so easy. You see me I say because the love done did it already. So let me know what the thing the people. Me not say it's okay, but me I say something will happen. You know what I mean? I don't know the way I them alone this I go on with. You understand what I say? Let's go watch some more.
You hear Redans come and say, Anna, you alone me are crying. When I hear that, when I hear that, any old dance beat Anna, me I congratulate him and buy him something for drink. Me not ask nobody. You see me always and I say this from the get-go from share breed. I say that girl give this boy a lot of bad name and make the internet hate him when the internet should have really hate she. You understand what me I say? Because she paid the boy. No, it's true. Desiree Wappenge. It's true. One cold Guinness me I buy him and say put back your strength in your hand or your foot. If I thump your thumb backs or kick, feed your limbs. Yeah? Feed your limbs. There's a real. Yeah. The boy talk, man can sit down and look on you and say, you know say by the way I pay either girl up on the upstairs. I pay that girl up the app for Rosalie come right down a class people and I pay that girl up the app. When you see the man them where I'm born, you talk truth no ladies because right now, me still in my hole in people and me are looking at my good vagina, right? And me I say to myself, say, pum pum, a long time you do road, you know, before the first time they get it name when you're good here. A long time you good road, you know. Yeah man. So me I say pum pum. You think you can do the Michael Jackson? Some put on and said to me, say, what kind of Michael Jackson? We're gonna make a change for once in my life. Some old said to me, say, right? That got kind of difficult, you know. Some say me no, come I just bring it to you. Some say me no. You know? Yeah. Some say me no, some say good old. Yeah, alright. So here what I say me I go do now, me I go change out the whole of this. Then you think a broke boy now can come tell me how much position he want in a life. I mean know my whole fear from my band right up until now just yesterday me gain sense. I mean not even gain it fully, you know, visit me. I not even know if it's stay. Then you go tell me now say a broke boy can tell me say yo I want me from back way just cock up on one of the stool. I lie ya tell any rooster ya look go suck up pants front. When me I cock up for you eat me from back way from go kudo. You mad? So you can really explain that to me now? Only be say it's all a dream. Only be me and you know the same thing. Whenever go to the same basic school, man no fail us together. Man never fail us together, only be. You don't know me and I don't know you. We never walk hand in hand. Me and you never depart lunchtime or breaks time later. We not even did at the same workplace. We don't know the organization, the supervisor and the boss. Only be where you say it's all a dream. Only be the things that my boy tell me, they never tell you yet. Put that in your pipe and puff it. You might call it a Cuban cigar. Yeah, where you say now, only be? Huh? Where you say? Only be you don't talk. When you give me a talk about my things in my life, them leave me alone. Leave me alone. You know what? I can't eat girl like me too much. Should not ring on the ankle in a relationship. Me not ring my ankle in a relationship. Number one, me not wear heels in a relationship because I go in there float. Oh. But go in there float. What you say? Eh? What you say, girlfriend? You stop talking now. Me think you did address me. You see me look like Rosalie? We a fight over a man with how much dump on him face. Eh? You're so big, you're so big, you're so big, you're so big. Jake's face look like cancer play around and looking at it. Eh? I pay sis in that. Me not sleep, my baby. Me a security guard. Remember me not sleep. Yeah, black coffee to my thing. Yeah, wake up now. When you be here, shoot your shot, you know. But this is not date my mom. Why? Yes, and this is it, my father. Yeah. Me no idiot get them, me no understand. Me can't understand. But when me there try make a point is this. The girl in the upper yam umbrella. Them walk and shade, man. You think a joke? You notice when you look on the app, all the girls advertise them man they make pine five. God know, me never know so Jamaica have so much ugly man. Yeah, me glad me no man still in me the ugliest girl in Jamaica still. You understand me? That's why when I see my reflection, I can identify it. I never know so Jamaica have so much ugly man until the internet open. People come here. Come here. I don't know how you want to take phone man and what kind of body you want to take out and cocky thirsty so no all blind on the vision. I never know Jamaica have so much ugly man. I never know Jamaica have so much ugly man until the internet. No people, I'm looking for a bargain. I'm looking for no mama want all words. No man. Somebody said they never see me with a man. They never know some man for walk and show with my baby. And you say girl walk at teeth things, girl snatch man all out of hole, girl suck vagina, girl suck cocky out of pum pum. When you say you never see me with a man yet, you never ever see me with a man yet. You never ever see me with a man, my baby. Me no kiss and tell her when I leave icky pan, me no make people know my lip mark. So you're not gonna ever see me with a man. So if you wait to the bus stop to see me and a man a big, wait in vain. You're not gonna ever see me with a man. Respect due to the boy mother first. Respect due to the boy mother first. You understand me? Secondly, respect due to the boy image. So you're not gonna ever see me with a man. You're gonna always hear me talk about man and body. I'm two subjects, them never graduate with nothing else. I never qualify for the Almere if I get the Immaculate Conception. I only get the school. Yeah. So when you say you never see me with a man yet, man on a prize because we see you with many men and right you know you're all without one. When you say, show me your purpose, you're not gonna ever see me with a man. So when you combo, you never see me with a man like you at show jobs. First thing first, respect the boy mother. The boy mother never take him hood and pushing on me. She never put us together. Yeah. So first thing first, respect. If he never tell mommy say me and him there, me nah go tell mommy. Me nah go tell mommy. And the Lionel, me nah go tell mommy. So you not go ever see me with a man. All I know with the relationship and the app, it flop. God believe me, we can't take none of no serious. Remember say, man a dig no out in a prank. Man a dig no out, man a position on in a prank. Yeah? So when you think you have a relationship, you don't have none. Remember, it's all a dream. It's all a dream. Man a make.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think. We're going to watch some more, we don't talk too long for now.
Man and a trophy, man and a prize, man is not an accomplishment. You never know. I alone own up, man. I long for hear man own up, uno. I long for hear man stand up and talk and cuss until them next string stand up like them and it I know it, but uno. Me long for hear that. Years me not hear that. Decades and centuries. Yeah? Exactly, relationship is not a show. Them think a theater. You know, see everybody will show them bed get put out. In one action. So when you say you never see me with a man, you never see me with a man. I not lie. I feel like pull a dragon this morning and drink her. Summer feel. Yeah, and that with them idiot girl up on the app. I remember when Rosalie talks, say she more than enough girl because she have a man. And when you look on the man she have, she sure she have him. Because things are so differently, and she sure she have him, or she sure we have him. True or false? Una alone own up, man. Una friend for man, una move on that. Una own not even good for bring forward pick me much less una own up, man. Go ahead. Remember P unfortunate events on a have. Una can't come about me, man. Una really can't come about me, man. Go on here. Come about me and somebody else. Not about me, man. Oh, yeah, that work. Come about me and come about me and man. You can't hype on me about me and man because I dip on my fridge top and people want to forge relationship with me. True or false? Through. Now come about me and man. Things were easy to get me to run down. I'm not frightened over man because I una alone I did. I una alone I did and gone. Yeah, through my tasks, some of the man they want to show up on the app though. With that first I see so much ugly man. I since una come on the internet I know say Jamaica have so much ugly man and worthless man. I wanna make me know that so not talk about man. Oh all your man mind you. Oh all your man mind you. It's true. Worm infested mango for true. So come now, we do not talk about man. Me can't scour the internet now and show no. Una man them not ready. Una not have no man. Una man them number one. Una man them not even busy. Una man them careless like uno. And some know are two girls in a relationship. And some know not get no loving. And some know not fight for attention. Where you want him want, where him want you want. How it gonna work? And none of una now say. Make we just agree to disagree to agree. None of we now say, alright, remember compromise. None of we now say, alright, sure. Maybe none of una move on the nasty. So can bring relationship over here, so. Remember we fix things, you know. And we make girl feel guilty. And we make boy wake up. What you say? Yeah? Remember say all of them and them man work the same place. So they come like taxi workers. The whole of them taxi driver. All I want to they understand together. The book some mackerel and dumpling today. A long time I eat tin mackerel but then time I eat tin mackerel it can't held over, I can't re-eat it. I have to eat it in a one go because with too many pies and my little body delicate. Yeah. Everybody and them man there and them want you beg them, them want you respect them. Lisa Ray, me got class. Them want you respect them, you know. And them man, they come my side! But when you have side, I thought Brazil was your side. I thought Argentina was your side. Germany, Spain. Me don't know say your side. Right here. Everybody and them man, yeah, combo man. No man no depend on the internet. Every boy will depend on the internet. And every girl will depend on the internet. And the man in the background, the man will do man. Or the man will do man. Or the mate, them girl will mate a man. Now ask them, them mate a man. Jamaica, them things are the rainbow mash up Jamaica. And the hide and seek mash up Jamaica. And the rainbow, my love. I wonder if I saw cocky Sky Diamond this. Sky Diamond, you go like me make your page get take where your page supposed to get take with Sky Diamond. So cocky Sky Diamond, you go like me make your page get take where so you feel you am blind by a thing must. Eh? And so it feel, my love, when you not walk and report people page. And so it feel, every time you click like them for report your Sky Diamond, you're not necessary on the app. These are germs. You're one of them where your crutches feel. Okay, where you're having a life, I could have one puppy and happy. Eh?
Alright, my people, so here we go. We're going to watch some more and then we're going to move on to the next.
You're one of them where feel, you just feel, eh? Come off of the app and go outside with cheese. Wanna go sit down, man, on a sick stomach. Yeah, sit down. Go sit down, man. You're too much. Yeah, go near my crutches. On a sick stomach. Cheese look like she don't trust her teeth furniture now. You know so long cheese take for organize? Cheese take long for organize. It look like cheese that walk and gather the things then. Somebody will lend cheese a center table, one will lend one sofa. The next one will lend a cabinet. Then by the time cheese done, cheese all have bed and dresser outside because the place can't work. But you come out attack and your son did over Portmore a clean rifle like him out of barracks. Him out of barracks, your son loves suck. Who the one that we get it from because it's not the daddy, it must be the mommy. I wonder if a cocky make cheese start sideways, so yeah, dirt alert and look on up. Come to think of it, cheese. Come to think of it, dirt alert, dirt alert, dirt alert. Calling out, make I turn up this brighter, make I brighten this for the ones in the back we can't see. You see, that's why it's not good for try project yourself on people in a dirt alert. Then now which part of the foot you saw? The part here. Is this an opener? You know them long time opener there, them long time opener. Look here. Dirt alert. Yes. Sometimes in life, it makes you humble. Because look how we are trying to fix people. That's what I'm telling you, say filter dangerous something, you know. Look how we are trying to fix people now. She's not need no makeup for going to the show, you know. God no. If I would have tell a lie for put on makeup on this zombie, she's don't need no makeup for going to the show. Tell the truth. She's not look here. She's not look like she coming a Resident Evil. She's look like she coming a Resident Evil from 1 to the final chapter. This effortless, you know? This effortless. Is who drew this? All cheese nose look like it one fix. One gone up and one come down. Man, like that VW in her face. Cheese more lean and lip lean. Oh. A demon this, you know. This is demon. Demon in its spice. Demon seed. Demon seed, listen. Yeah, Volkswagen for sure. And then she's still more cute and girly. Cute and girly. Huh? Miss Fung get the phone, my baby. But you know, say, me not play here, I say cheese too if you have a long time opener them. Who know the long time opener them where you used to go bar and then comes up and flick it up. Me not talk the broad one them saying that me talk the round head one so like it and it have the long stem down here so I true me wanna now go get it, you're not too civilized. Yeah, me said cheese too frightened me. Cheese to take the cake and cheese look like she have a homemade stand up. You know a homemade stand up like her foot can't straight.
Me I carry Jaden. Because Jaden believe in a family. A whole heap of uno no know that the man believe in a family. You hear me tell you? And no matter how him have him ways, because we have our ways to also. When nobody no see me, and when I cry to family member, I tell family member who do the things to me, as when I say Jaden them do for me. You have your family and you want to look about, so your family them now look upon you, they rather put you down and diss you, or them use you. And stranger like you guys will come out here so upon the platform here. I want to come, I want to see me, I want to love me, I want to hear me cry and hear me plea. Me and we not share the same bloodline. We not come out of the same mother. But we not come be a brother and sister to me. By sitting down and look on this, may I tell you the truth. I don't mean more than me to, more than any bloodline out there, more than any brother and sister. Because I see you guys love me, push me, believe in me. And I same thing me I go do for my kids them. You see.
Hey, the people, I one thing we can say still, and he love the lion man still, it no matter what them go through, at the end of the day, and he go give him props. You see me, I say, and he rate the youth, them not like big man thing. You know, people, tell me what you think. I'm not chat to Wally in another video, because I hear all the audio kind of low, I'm not chat to Wally, so we're going to watch some more people.
Jagger, my firstborn, I want to see him behind the steering and I want to see Jagger drive. I want to see Jagger drive his mother. Can mother go and look a supermarket? Can look a sister go drop off in sister's school? That's Jagger. I want Jagger teach Alex, him younger brother, how to drive. Teach Alex how to step out there as a little young man. That's family. That's love. That's pushing each other. I not give up on none of them. Right? Him not wake yet. But when he wake, I make you know, say, yo, mommy got it. Come and beg to them a whole day yesterday. I beg to them yesterday you fudge like we cuss down your whole freaking place. And next, you know, we have to get back to family. Right? So this morning when him come, I just do what I have to do and say, boss, are you that? There is no other love than that love. I believe about man like man. Yeah, I love my man. Nobody can stop me from love my man. Oops, I do love my man. Yeah. Me maybe the 100% are back together with him, whatever. But I do love the nigga. But when it come on to my kids them, bro, I don't want nobody play with my kids them. I don't want nobody play with my kids them. My parents never do it for me. I never get no gold spoon in my mouth. I not cry.
I like them. No, sir.
No, the Chanel can check for me. The Chanel run can check for me. My family never give to me. My parents never put nothing in my mouth. We never get gold spoon. A whole heap of way out here struggle. A whole heap of way out here struggling in Gideon. My family put down. You understand what I say? Enough of time we don't have to blame family, we just have to blame ourselves because we have to come make it for our own self. My family never come give me a piece of land. My father never give me a car. My father never give me a money and say, boss yourself and do something for yourself. But yet still, you still have to stand up and do it for yourself. You can't wait for nobody to do it for you. If you sit down and wait for people, what will happen? You know, I don't understand with enough of people out there. It's like you want to sit down underneath a rock and want somebody to come knock you up underneath a rock and say, hey, come out here, so. You have to make nice for people hear you. You have to step out there and make people see you. If you're not nobody now go see you, baby. If there's nothing good about you, nobody out there would talk about you. If you want the job out there, how you go get a job? You go sit down on your yard and say, you know, say, I want to work there. And you know, say, I want to become the pilot there. You have to stand up and go out there. You have to fight. You have to knock some drum. You have to make some noise. So people now go talk about people where them are on a body or not be seen. Say me I come. When they say me I come. Bro, me I got through a lot in my brains. Me not lie to you. Me I got through so freaking much way. Me just a hold on by a thread. Me have so many people hate me. Me have people who drag me down. Me have family around me where me still a struggle with. But the only thing me hold on pan a faith. Like, me just have faith. Me just believe. You know, I just have a burning desire in my heart where I know say, yo, I deserve to do this. So. I don't know if you have a burning desire in your heart where you decide say, yo, I have to make it. I know everybody come here to be a rich man. Some of we just come here to live and make it in a life all the way we can. Sometimes you're rich and it's not all about money. Sometimes the richness in your blood. I don't know if no man can understand what me I say. Sometimes your richness is in your blood. I'm rich in my blood, I'm rich in my blood, no bumbo clot. I swear to you, sorry for your bad word, but my mama tell you, see me. If me did, yo, people say, oh, say my dons. But me I tell you the truth. Bless God for the limit when me there. A lot of people look down upon me and say, yo, girl, you done say this. Me say, well, if I want to come out and say, Ryan, you don't even know what I talk about. Sometimes me are sorry for you. I swear to God. But anyway, enough of that because I tell you, I'm one deep type of person. When time I go down in the brains here, it dig me up a lot. Sometimes it makes me overthinker. You know what I say? I just want to big up to all the people that believe in me and see me, hear them. Hey, on the top of ramping! Stop! I'm just proud of myself for put a smile on my family face. You know, everybody a smile right now. Them proud of me. One of the greatest feelings. You know, I see my son face this morning when he come out because I'm telling him mix with me. So I just want the two boys put them together. The next door I have to do. Because no father no did it for them, you know. And me as a mother grew them, you know. I don't know if I should have teach Jack a little bit more better about the girls them, but being a single mother, you know what I say? Father supposed to do certain little things, but when you see yourself as a mother where I do it in a certain way, I know so I'm proud in the ladies. And that's the reason why we have more independent ladies out here, because when you see how man deal with you, and alone end up with your kids. I want to tell yourself, I'm not going to no court. I'm going to show the boy yes, I can make it. No matter if he left me with 2, 3, 4 pitney. I show you me can make it without you. And your pitney them still are going to live. You understand? That's my goal and my accomplishment. For sure them say I'm going to stand up as a mother no matter what. No matter if me and them near one dumpling and butter night time and cut it. You hear me I tell you? Enough of time we mothers sit down and watch we pick them yam. And we don't eat nothing. Remember when time me have to go a shop and go sell 6 buckle for buy quarter bread. Enough people no remember them thing there. Me buy all a suck 5 suck for me pick them. And 6 buckle and go down a shop go sell that and buy quarter bread and come up with piece of butter and butter it give pitney them and make them sit down and make them eat. Wanna know?
People, me not lie, me love them something. You see me I say, me love to see this thing. You understand? Me love to see people elevate themselves out of certain situation and make life for themselves. You know what I mean? Look for any of them that struggle years on top of years and to see them now reap some reward on TikTok. A whole heap of jack them get on TikTok and deal with differently, you know. You see me I say, so to see them can able to buy even a vehicle, no matter how it look, no matter what year it is, no matter what type it is. You understand? It just make me feel a way if you know say, yeah. You see me? Them really can elevate themselves out of the struggle You know what I mean? And mix up with themselves. And even as she has if it drive, if it jagger, drive or go here and there. It's a good look with people. Let me know what you think. I want some more.
All you know about struggling. Come on, no man. You know, remember a time when you don't have look a banana where you can cook. And you have piece of onion. Not even look a saltfish. And you cook up the onion with the tomato and the banana. And feed your picnic them and make sure say them have something in them stomach. And that me I come from. I'm in a shame it. I bless the Almighty for everything when Him give to me. Thank Father God for everything when Him do for me. Bless the Almighty for the people that will come through my life and see me and see say me I struggle and think about for help uplift me and believe in me. You understand? So if you have so much of other people come over here so come eat for me, constantly dragging down me and my family, it's such a shame. Because whole heap of you could have out there do it for yourself, you know. You could have out there and do it for yourself, but you rather just try to just bring down another woman. A woman to a woman, where you have struggle out there with your youth. You have to wait for a baby father every Friday for you only $5,000 or $10,000. Instead of you try to looking at yourself and say, yo, uplift. And show some woman power. You understand me? You think about drag down another sister. Bless yourself for that. Big up on yourself on that, ladies. Here, God bless you. Here, my lip them I get dry. So guys, as I say, right, everybody has says, guys, it's deep, you know, I wonder if we should stop playing much a little bit, but God know, hold on, deep, chat, deep, your forge, deep. Some little birdie reach out and say, the boss have somebody pregnant. Tell us I can't even talk. I can't even talk. I don't know if I lie or true. I don't know. I don't know. I hold back. I don't know why I hold back. I ask him, he say, guys, first gift triple. I ask him and he say nothing no go so. Him say nothing at all no go so. And yeah, him and the woman where they I asked him about the woman where him there with recently, and him say man the woman that they them break up and so. But the person where reach out them and there's a bag of things because them a say it's a prank thing them a run for me. Seriously, them a say it's a prank thing. Them a say it's a prank thing him a run for me, so I have to be careful, you understand what me I do. Morning, baby. Yeah, they say it's a prank thing them a run for me, sir. Guys, everybody catch his speed. Everybody catch his speed. Guys, help me catch his speed, guys. We're gonna storm rose. Everybody drop a rose, child. Thank you. Guys, please don't make them take your nuggets and then run. And I lie to you, when me hear it, me just talk to him. I'm not lie to you, me and him could have a great relationship if I real love. You say if I real love, me and him can do it. May I tell you, but when I go through last time, I don't want nobody hurt me. I tell you the truth. And when I go in, I go all in my relationship. You understand? And because a person says I love them and so nobody come advantage me. Guys, triple team blue, guys. Team blue, I beg gonna shoot on that triple chat. Don't make you take me nuggets. That's why I say I go top play the game and talk, you know. Better me talk for some play the game. Chat, shoot. Queen, thank you, baby. Come on, Team Blue, shoot, chat, shoot. Come on, chat, shoot, guys. Queen 909, thank you, baby. Thank you for the finger art. Come on, guys, use it. Use a triple here. Use a triple. Use a triple, guys. Queen, thank you. My number 2, you depend you. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for the finger art. Come on, chat. Alright, Queen 909, you depend you, baby. Shoot. Anything you give me a double. See there? They get 2 more the donut. They get 2 more donut, baby. 2 more donut. 2 more donut. Anything you can put on it. Thank you, baby. Thank you. When I play no more game, because I go distracted by the time I will call it. But as I say, me no want do no more drama with him. Me no want go in no more drama type of thing with him. And you see me now, I just forward me I go, me have my house to focus on. Me have things where me I do for myself. You understand? Me I say me have my kids to send back to school. Me I make my daughter to go back to school. You get what me I say? So me not say it true because I some me don't know a person try them best reach out last.
Hey, my people, you look on this, you know, see? Them women you nowadays say them want this a type of man, they want that the type of man, they want a man to give them princess treatment, they want a man to lift them up and bring them down. They want, you see me I say them a tick off all of the good things about a man, what them want. You see me? And at the end of the day when them find that the man they take that the man they say idiot. You see me I say? And they want them at the end of the day they want the man who deal with them rugged, rough, as long as him can put down the deal upon them properly. You see me I say, and them the type of man they want roughneck, like what long time people them would have said. But to each his own, me can tell Annie what she want in her life. You know what I mean? She know what she wants, she know what she love, she know what makes her happy. You understand? But don't come ball to it. That's all I want to say. So, look what somewhere.
Night and everything. And what the person has said to me, and by the way, and me them reach out to me pitney because them I said them afraid to talk to me. And the person has said them, I don't know if it's true guys, it can be a lie, but I don't know. Them say him have somebody pregnant. I asked him said nothing no go so. Them say it's a prank, them a run for me. You understand me? So me for watch myself and me not for go popping because when me reach up there it's gonna be a problem. So I take some time for myself like you. If me believe, somebody say proof. But when me I say do Team Blue, you know say yeah, me care for him and everything. Of course, mother want him in a relationship, but me not go back over this anymore. Me want grow. I want somebody to grow with. So as I say it, him this left the person. Him and the person maybe does this a left out a relationship. So me I said, alright then, maybe just make him take some time, then make him take some time and me take some time then and focus on what we are do. You understand? Him get some time and start out him thing. Okay, alright Fluffy, thank you baby. What you mean by me can't ban June or Ross? Me maybe not ban a bad part of June where you ban. Me maybe not ban a part of June where you ban. You understand what I say? But me sure say me a Gemini straight to the earth.
Como os me eat that. You want some? Angel Buwagon. boom Sunday, no. I pull up later. Tell boom boom so I pull up later. Yeah. I drive the Audi. I suppose I drive the Audi. Kind of a big and full, is it? Them say come back for all the money, house and land. And the all the more and drive. I'm not take it. I teach her to drive it.
And a dance tonight and a dancing night, a Friday night that we all organize that they're doing East Friday. Richard, come here. Just the report, the report Nikita page. The report Nikita gifting, my love. And apart from reporting Nikita gift down. Tiki got Bronx. Tiki going to the Bronx on Gambro. I don't know why I'm reporting. I don't know. Can I never get that yet? Alright. They report the page with the gifting.
Some people, we're going to hear Rosalie talk how Ricky go make him gift to get banned from TikTok for 2 weeks. You see me I say? So, we could hear what Rosalie have to say. And if you don't want to hear, and if you don't want that own name Ricky, and the same one who name Tiki man, we just call him Ricky.
So, they report the gifting, so him can't get a gift pan a picture for 2 weeks. Yesterday, him start take a report it. Then come in and chat. Oh, see the... Wait. Them take that picture and think you what the last week of the gambling house. Gambling house in there, you know. Them take that picture last week of them at the gambling blood clad house. Gambling house in there, you know. Gambling house in there. And then them I go look upon people and ask about them doing TikTok money and walk off and mono off. So as him do the match Sunday, so And as him do the maths on the sermon, run go back and collect the cut for the money order from Vanny. Big one them near him out, and Emily them near him out. Just a hear only that tell them say 2 man him having a foreign. Jet, that thing no want. Just a hear only that tell them say 2 man him having in America. I remember say him have to mind the mind. Him have to mind the man them. So all them pose them have on. A big one TV man selling it. 5,000. Careless Batman. Careless Batman. So the money don't know. The money don't know. The money when the one of them near money in New York from big one go right back down to Emily. Near money in New York. The money don't know. So that's why you see him click like back on TikTok. And the money don't know. Of last night. You know him do chat? Let me tell you what him do. Me and Purple up on live. I'm go over Purple live, go type. Put trouble Purple for purpose or something. When Purple start custom, he run go click live. But me and him, the whole other week I feel him. Say, move your stinking self. You are country batty man. All of them people we are part of that tone girl. I know them will chat. It's true, them know say, it's true. Them know say. You want a friend from them, you have to pay there for I company. They must have come and take a girl. Come let me go along on the gamblers, come let me something. Half of them don't beg up, half of them give them money, you know, and buy them food, you know. Come and take a girl with the rest of the money. Me I go along on the gambling house. I want to go try my luck. You know the money can lend me, girl. I said, come and take a girl. You know the money, girl. And I say, yeah, me have money. And them borrow the money from him, and the same money them borrow from him. Them borrow the money from him, and the same money with them borrow from him, and the same money them still gonna gamble with him. Read. So anyway, him take time on the money I spend. I say buy one thing. Anyway, I take it. I own the money I spend. When I gamble with them, I own the money I spend. And the same money when we use and lend them, I them use and gamble with him. And I back him up down and gamble. You think what him and nice? The Saturday night when thinking mode and pebbles throw me a span him. And him win the game and them a try rob him. What him and no nice. Hour. Them not like him. So I'm prepared there for high company. So you see that picture of the way him take? You see that I gambling house say you broke? I say you sleep at gambling house.
I the car when me buy, Odin. I the car when me buy. That's the problem.
First when she go back up on Falkland, they say he live in a old house. He did a fix up in house, and people go up there go trouble him. They must say a lie woman. I tell the woman left her up there, come up here so come fix up this house here. They still say a woman live in a old house. Don't know about buy one car. Why? Me don't know. Me don't know what you have to go do.
No. What that have to do with nobody on social media if my house not finish? What have to do with no fucking body? Why they not gonna fix up them house? I know me no say them bad mind. Me pity them need a car. My kids them need a car. My son need a freaking car. Me can't have my big old nice son and my son not drive and drive him mother. So what it have to do with them? What it have to do with them if my house not fix?
Thank you.
Me at least me I work for my house. At least me I work for my house. You understand what me I say? None of them no live nowhere. None of them girl you have to wait for a girl for open them door for go in. So me buy a car my son. Me and my big old son there right here so. So I'm gonna put my son right there. Him can drive him mother of course. What you chat about? Eh? Only two bad mind and wicked man.
So
but don't allow me alone man. I'm here go there with blood clot TikTok police. Watch out my blood clot stubborn. Me there with blood clot TikTok police. I know now you can't blood clot stop me. Me go save me a rent to no pum pum. Me go save a rent me a rent to no pum pum.
Some people, they must say, Annie, buy car and her house not done. You see what I say, yo, people, you know, yo, what do just make me know anything? Because we don't chat too much on down there. I got any to adjust some people, because every day I chat out too long.
Tell me how much me rent to no pum pum for. Me go there with blood clot TikTok police. Watch and blood clot see. Me want to stop me. Me want the boy. Me want the boy. I'm here take the boy. And none of you can stop blood clot me. Watch and blood clot see. Me tired of blood clot uno. Uno can't make people sad. Uno can't make me sad. Me want to know how much pum pum me rent from uno. Tell me how much pum pum me rent from uno. Me want to know if a half pound, quarter pound or the whole acre. And that me want to know. Because when me a give him full 100. But don't come off of me, man.
Back it up on him full 100 shots.
How can they pay me for? Tell that blood clot uno. Tired of uno. Tired of uno, man. I know me go want him. I don't say the more come in my ears, I know me I go want him. I know me I go after him. So no go and eat for me.
Come out time, man.
I'm going to go rent car. You go here say me I spend money, but I mean me go rent vehicle. And I do this.